This will be a tutorial on using the command Subroutine Index in Statistics 101 program. The help menu has an item here called Command Subroutine Index, which will list all the commands and subroutines that are available in the program, including subroutines that you write yourself. You can perform keyword searches or category searches to find a command or subroutine. It's also accessible using the F3 function key. When the index first opens, it'll display a list of all the commands and subroutines, including any subroutines in your default subroutine directory, along with a one-line description of each command or subroutine. The command names are shown in bold type. Subroutine names are in normal type. Your own subroutines that you write yourself will be in red. I'll find one down here. There's one. Just an example I typed in. So the list includes all three: commands, subroutines, and subroutines that you write. To find a command or subroutine, type in one or more words or partial words relating to what you want to search for into the Enter Search Terms text box. Then press the Enter key or click the search button. For example, if I wanted to know what subroutines or commands might be related to histogram, all I have to do is type that in, and I can click on the search, and this is these three are bold, so they're commands that are built into the program, and then these other two were subroutines that are related to histogram. And there's a one-line description of each one that gives you some idea of what it's supposed to do. If you want to know more about it, you just click on any one of them that you're interested in, and you get the help text for it. So this describes in detail what that particular command was. Now that was a command. If I click on a subroutine, then it'll go to the subroutine text, and which gives a description of the subroutine, how to use it, and the actual details of the subroutine, the actual code. And usually at the bottom there'll be a sample program that will show how to use the subroutine. You can type more than one keyword. For example, I'll type in average, and hit return, and these are subroutines that happen to use to compute various forms of average. If I add mean to that, like if I didn't know what subroutines were available and I typed in average and mean in case different words were used to describe them, I hit return, there's nothing there. But that's because it's looking for all the words that are in the search term box. If I click on any, now it's going to allow the display of any subroutine that has this word in its description. So now we have anything with a mean in it and anything with average. Also, you can, if you want an exact match for certain word terms, multiple words, you can put those within double quotes and it'll look for anything that has the exact match. So with regard to this checkbox, if it's checked, then any one of the terms that you write in here in the search box is allowed, is matched. If you undo this check, then the lines have to match all of the words that are in the search box. The words can be in any order, and they can be upper or lowercase. That doesn't matter. A category search, if you right-click, you get a list of all the categories of the different commands and subroutines. If you want to see everything, just click on all, and now we're back to where we were at the very beginning. This is the list of all the subroutines and commands. But if we were interested perhaps in just input-output commands, we'd click on that one, and then we get all the commands and subroutines that are in that category. While you have the list up, if you hold the mouse over any of the items, it'll give you a little tooltip of what it includes. There's one special one here, functions usable in let commands. And these are any command or subroutine that has one input, one output. Those are all listed there. These can be used in the let command. If you click on one of these, you get the help for that. If you shift click, then the name of that will be added to the program as over here. And as you can see, it also brought in the include file that's necessary for that to work. So that's an overview of the use of the command subroutine index. Thank you for watching.